Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy with another project. Friends, let's make these sneakers super adorable with this jelly roll fabric from, I think, Walmart. Yeah. All right, so I start by making a pattern of the area that I need to put the fabric on with, this is just parchment paper and a pencil. And I'm just tracing on my sneaker where I want to put the fabric. These sneakers, by the way, are from Five Below, so they were $5. I know, awesome. And again, I am making the pattern, but I'm not being perfect because we can always trim the fabric after, okay? So don't get crazy. It's okay. This is just a rough estimate of how we want our fabric. Done. Then we're going to cut it out. Now, I made the mistake. I'm going to tell you right now, I made the mistake of cutting my fabric out. I traced my fabric with pen and it was stupid. Not a good idea. But I did it. Cut out my fabric, put it on my sneaker. I'm using some fabric Mod Podge. Now here is one way you can do this. You can put the fabric Mod Podge on the sneaker and then put the fabric on top of that. But I'm going to tell you right now, as I did this video, I grew in how I did stuff. So this wasn't the best way for me to do it. But if you're going to do it this way, I just make sure that I adhere it. I make sure that I get it in the nooks and crannies, make sure that it's really adhered. Perfect. Trim it if you need to, which I did. You probably will as well, and that's okay, but just make sure that it's really adhered. Perfect. Here's a better way to do this. I cut out my pattern. I doubled my fabric, okay? And I put my pattern on top of that, pinned the pattern on, and then cut it out. Now we've got both pieces for the inside that we don't have to worry because you have to cut one for the inside, one for the outside. I know. I didn't think of this at the beginning. Then I put parchment paper on my table and then I put my pattern, my fabric that I cut out, I put that on the parchment paper and I put the fabric Mod Podge on that. And then I peel it up and then I put it on my sneaker. Now, I know it's going to be a little bit messier, but whoa, it works so much better. And then I do the same process as I did before, make sure that it's on where I want it. If we need to trim it, we trim it. But we really, you want to make sure that it's really adhered. So you really want to rub it on there and make sure that it's on. I did use a fabric, not a fabric, I used a craft stick to get in the nooks and crannies, but look at this. It looks so much fun, right? Perfect, right? So you are going to want to let that dry. While that's drying, I took another piece of that jelly roll, cut it in half. This is like a bee, it looks like a honeycomb. So then we're going to fold into the center and iron it. Then fold the other end into the center and iron it. And then we're going to fold that whole thing in half and iron it. What are we doing, might you ask? Oh, yeah, friends, we're making shoelaces. Look at, then lace it into your sneakers. And are you kidding me? Look at how cute these are. Oh, you can't convince me these aren't adorable. I love them. Are they a little rough on the edge? Sure. Could I have sewn them? Absolutely. Did I want to? No. These work just fine for me. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.